Hi, so I know it's been a while since I put out some insurance videos, but I just want you all to know that I am back doing insurance content for you all. I had a few people hit me up asking questions. Whatever questions you have, whatever videos you want me to do, please post it in the comments so I can, start answering you all questions via videos. So because the questions that you may have, others may have as well. So those that are new to my channel, my name is Carla and I'm the owner of an insurance agency. This year makes it 6 years, an independent insurance agency, and I'm also the owner of an online boutique. This year makes 2 years for the online boutique. But my baby is the insurance agency. The insurance industry has been so good to me, specifically owning an insurance agency. And today I want to talk to you all about what is the best insurance product to sell in your insurance agency. Now, of course, these are just my views. However, I'm going to break it down as to why I feel that this insurance product is specifically the best insurance product to sell. So at my insurance agency, we offer a variety of products. I've been fully licensed since 2010. We offer life insurance, we do property insurance, auto insurance, pet insurance, home warranties. We do a lot of it all. And that's just the great thing of owning an independent insurance agency, because you're able to offer so many products that your client needs. So you're able to fill those gaps a lot easier than them having to go elsewhere and then, your competitor just taking your clients because they can offer them way more than you can. All right, guys, so there are many different insurance products that you can sell, but me personally, I feel the best insurance product to sell and really have a stress-free agency and just enjoy life a little more like I'm doing is property insurance. And I'm going to break it down for you all. And property insurance deals with, residential as well as commercial. All right. So let's go into commercial insurance. So originally, when I started my agency, I knew what my goal was. I knew who my target client was. It was landlords, because I'm like, you know what? Landlords have a lot of properties, and not only can I get their landlord properties, I can get their homeowners, I can get their auto, and if they own a business, a small business, I can get that as well. So even though we sell commercial insurance, my focus was not commercial insurance, and let me tell you why. And what actually proved me to be right was when the pandemic happened in 2020, because commercial insurance is not something that people need to have. Sometimes when businesses are doing businesses with other businesses, those businesses may ask for proof for general liability insurance because they want to protect their behind. But like I said, it's not required for business owners to have. So in the pandemic, you saw a lot of businesses, and the business insurance that we had on file, people were canceling their policies. We had a yoga studio that went out of business, and just some other businesses that they just wanted to cut costs and save money. So that proves me to be right, because just talking to those commercial clients at that time, I just felt so bad for what their business was going through. And it was just, I empathize in situations, and it was just a little hard to take, and just knowing that it was nothing that I can do to help them. So another reason why I don't feel that commercial insurance is the best insurance to sell if you want to have a stress-free agency and just live a life of enjoyment, because commercial insurance is very service entailed. People are always going to call you for COIs, which is certificate of insurance, and they're always going to shop around their policies because businesses are always looking to save money. So don't get me wrong, it is a good product to sell. You can make a lot of money, but it is a little bit more service intensive. Now, we don't shy away from any business, but it's just certain certain insurance products that we at my agency choose to focus on. And commercial business isn't one of them. All right. So if it comes, it comes. We accept it, but we're not really going out targeting these commercial businesses. You have some commercial insurance. Commercial insurance agencies that primarily focus on that, and they may have a target, for example, like restaurant businesses, hospitals, things like that. But like I said, it is very service intensive, and when you really can't be all about saving a client money sometimes, because when it comes to commercial business, it's more about them having the proper coverage, and sometimes that can be expensive. So if you're going to do commercial insurance, it's best that you have a target of clients in mind. So that way you can build your expertise on what those businesses need and, deal with carriers that are competitive with those businesses. But like I said, you really need to know your stuff, and it may be a little service entailed, and you always kind of need to know what your client is doing, because they may have changes in their business to where they may need to change their insurance coverage. So like I said, for those that do commercial insurance, hopefully you're doing right by your clients and just not trying to always save them money, but educating them on the insurance that they need. A lot of businesses, like I said, they're trying to cut corners. They don't care about general liability insurance. They don't care about these things because maybe a claim never happened. And these are like $1 million businesses that we're talking about. But it's our job to educate them about why it's so important that they have the proper coverage. Because if a claim didn't happen now or in the past, it doesn't mean that it won't happen in the future. And it can really, just bankrupt your business. And another thing, a lot of businesses have lawyers on standby. So like I said, know your stuff, do right by your clients. I'm not sure what the retention rate is on commercial business, but I know that they're like always trying to shop their policies around every year to save money, and they're always asking for those COIs depending on what business it is. Hey, that's just my thoughts on it. I've been in the industry now going on 13 years. All right, so next you have health insurance. You have those independent insurance agencies that sometimes just focus on one thing. So I know a couple of health agencies that just focus on health insurance. Now, this can be very good as well. It's a lucrative business, just like commercial insurance, but when it comes down to the best insurance products to sell, it's something that people need, and it's something that is required. Health insurance, it is a great need, but it's not required. So again, I don't know how the retention rate is, but when people are trying to save money, these are some of the policies that they'll probably let go. Because they may feel that they're, have good health. They may feel that they don't need the health insurance in the meantime because they haven't been to the doctors in a while. Now, us insurance agents, we know how important it is to have insurance to cover every aspect of your life, because we understand you may not have a claim now, but if you have a claim in the future, you want to be able to have that insurance so you don't have to come out of your pockets. I tell people insurance is aleatory, which means the money that you pay in doesn't always equal the money that they pay out. For example, I have a client who just had a water claim. Their yearly premium was only $500, but the insurance company paid out around more than $35,000 for that claim. So, it's like I said, we understand the need of it, and it's just our job to educate our clients and the public on the importance of having these things. Don't let your insurance go. If you need to, not go out as much to be able to have the money to pay your insurance policies, then that's just what you need to do. And that's part of you just taking care of business and doing what you need to do. Because insurance is to protect your financial, your pockets. It's to indemnify someone, which is to put them back in the financial position that they were in prior to the claim. So, like I said, as insurance agents, we understand the importance of it. And the last thing we want to do is go into debt. If we have a claim, we want to be able to call our insurance company, let them take care of it so we can keep building our wealth. All right, so I did health insurance. Then you have life insurance. Life insurance is money, 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 just like all the other two. But again, it's not something that's required. Is it needed? Yes, just like many different insurance products out there are needed. But again, it's for us to educate our clients why they need these products. And when people are trying to save money, they're going to let their life insurance lapse. And it just happens. And it happens in my agency. We sell life insurance. It just happens. But we really are trying to do a better job of just educating people on the importance of having life insurance. It's not just to provide money to your loved ones when you die. It also has those living benefits. So like I said, no matter what insurance product you sell, if you really want to be the best at your game, and if you really want to have a high retention rate, then it's your job to educate people on why they need this product, okay? Why they need your products, all right? So like I said, when starting my agency, I was like, what's an insurance product that I can focus on that people not only need, but is required? And I've been hearing people say that, the P&C business, property and casualty, homeowner and auto, it's the long game, meaning that you don't make a lot of money in the beginning, but over time, as you get those residuals, the money grows. Now, yes, it's the long game because, with those products, your retention is going to be a little bit higher. So you're going to have more money in the long run. But that doesn't mean you can't make a lot of money now. Like, insure that apartment building that's around the street. That's commercial property. Now, once you have a good understanding of property insurance, you can be confident selling both homeowners and, landlord apartments, things like that. And, you have those, and don't think you can't make money in a short term selling property insurance, because you have those and it's all about the clients that you target, because you have those homeowners who are living in $500,000, $600,000, $1 million plus dollar properties. Those insurance premiums are going to be a little high, and we all know the commissions that we receive, sometimes 15, 20, 25% on these commercial property insurance. So on these commercial property premiums. So like I said, when they tell you that property insurance is the long game, you should want the long game. You should want to sell those products that are going to stay on the books for a long time. I know people who sell life insurance. It's a hustle. You got to keep going at it because the residuals really aren't that great. And like I said, it's something that is needed, but it's not something that's required. You know, when a person purchases a home and they have a mortgage, then it's required that they have homeowners insurance, okay? When they purchase a car, it's required that they have auto insurance. So why not sell something that is required, guys? So let me know what you think. Write it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.